guys, good afternoon. I want to show you how my jungle garden look like after raining, heavy raining for about 35 minutes. And now we can see here my jungle garden looks so, oh my god, with rainwater here. For sure there's a rainwater. Mm, can make me itchy because dirty rainwater, and as usual this rainwater can be disappear. um, Maybe tomorrow morning will be disappear. Fortunately I have sprayed my orchid over there under the shade house. My disorder jungle garden, sorry guys. Some species I place outside here, like this one, Grammatophyllum speciosum. This one get rainwater. Some species I place outside, not under the shade, and they can be healthier when they get natural rainwater like this. But for sure some snail then appear in the rainy season. Oh, like a small river in my jungle garden, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in my jungle garden. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.